Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to share my experience going to Cedar Creek Waterfall last weekend. The weather was really good and the loop was nearly 1.5 kilometers and it was family friendly. So we took our kids, a 2.5-year-old and a 5-year-old. There were a few different viewpoints from top to bottom. So this is the close-up look. Finally we have arrived. There was not much crowd. It's winter time, so there were not many people. We enjoyed the view.
Don't leave my hand. Don't go in water.
Kids were trying to go into the water, but it was really cold, and we tried to stop them going in the water because it was winter time. We spent almost half an hour staying there, enjoying the view. Kids were doing their activities, climbing up and down, looking the waterfall from different views. So we had enough time here, and now we are heading back to Array. It was a very basic track. If you have young kids, you can go there and enjoy. Now the kids has choose to do a little bit of hiking instead of going straight away. There is a very good track in there, but they just wanted to do a bit of fun. So we had a bit of fun, kids doing climbing up the rocks instead of choosing the straightaway.
Oh my God.
Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video, and till then, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.